Alright guys, another 2-camera video. This one, I'm going to be showing you some handbrake and clutch stuff. Just kind of, you know, fucking let people see, get a better view of what I'm doing, I guess. But yeah. Nothing too interesting today, probably. Just some practice. It's a Sunday. Got work tomorrow. Out enjoying a little sunshine while it's still here. That was going up to double pegger. So as you can see, I clutched up and sit down, and I didn't even have my finger on the handbrake lever, and then I moved my finger to the brake lever when I'm ready to stand up. So I'll do that again. That's just how we do the sit down to double pegger transitions. Let's do another one of those. My foot is hurting a little bit. But yeah, that's just a little bit of handbrake work. Now, clutching up and double pegger or a seat stander, I do have to have my finger already on the handbrake. So I guess I'll show that. Let's do some double pegger clutch ups. To be light on that handbrake. Oh, the fuck! My camera door opened. Are you still on? Oh. Repairing your file, please wait. What the fuck? File repaired? Okay. Alright, so to make this easier on myself for editing later, I'm going to cut this video now. Alright. Now they are both recording at the same time. Alright, I kind of want to do some seat stander. Another seat stander. Nope, got to jump up. Got to get better at that, because so far that sucks. That just didn't feel very good. more of that seat stander action. Long one. Let's go to double pegger. Let's go back to foot brake. Looking at my shadow on the ground while doing wheelies is pretty cool. Oh, the wind in my eyes is making me tear up. Well, alright. What the fuck? That was weird. I think I'm gonna call it. Maybe do one more, what the fuck? What the hell was that? What the fuck is going on here? I don't know. Well, I guess, yeah, we're gonna head home. Maybe not do any more wheelies. Just in case something is wrong with my bike. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this one. Oh, I also changed the placement of the microphone in my helmet, so I don't know. Oh, some other peeps. Yeah, tell me what you think about audio quality. I think I did a little bit of testing. I think this might be a little better, but I don't know. That's kind of up to y'all, not me.